We know that kids that are in career technical education classes have lower dropout rates, they graduate higher, they have higher self-efficacy, they have higher self-esteem, they're going to be employed longer, and they're going to make more money. There's a lot of rural communities right now that are not flourishing, and subsequently schools and school programming, especially for those kids that learn by doing, are being reduced and cut.
Come from your community, come to a regional center. We are Ignite Pathways Regional Center. So we are here for all and any. Come learn from a group of students or learners that is diverse, that come from different backgrounds and they're passionate about something. Think about the networking that's happening there and the connections that could take them, all of them, to the next level. So we are really a platform for learners of all kinds, all different walks of life, wherever they're coming from. Come to Ignite Pathways, meet different people interested in the same thing you are, learn from instructors that have years of experience in industry in a hands-on approach to education that's different than what they would have had.
We want our kids to have experiences that are not here. We want them out building homes. We want them out learning on the job. We want them to grow in ways that they never thought they would imagine they could grow in. And the only way you do that is by having experiences you never thought you'd have.
The advantage changed my life because I'm a lot happier not just writing out papers all day and getting hands-on learning. I'm not so stressed out all the time about, am I going to get this paper done or that paper? I can really do all hands-on stuff, and most of my stuff is in class, and I can go out and work after school, and I'm not bogged down all the time.
You can put good people in a bad system, the system wins every time. It just does. But when you get a collection of people that know that the system was broken for them in one way or another, and they say, now I want to try to help fix it. I don't just want to help fix it, I want to help transform it. And that's what we're doing in a small rural community in Iowa.
Seeing students that I had as freshmen and sophomores that they aren't really sure what they want to do. They kind of have taken classes in agriculture and business and childcare and health sciences. And now, having had them for the past 2 years, they really nailed down what they want to do and found their passion. And for them to just find kind of what they want to do with their future, it's very exciting.
In my 25 years, I can speak confidently, we are transforming education. This is the most unique experience in the state of Iowa. It just is. And as a parent, you need to come see it.